Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 30. Even if the most sinful worships me with devotion to none else or with single pointedness, he too should indeed be regarded as righteous, for he has rightly resolved.
Chapter 9, Shloka 30. Api chet suduracharo bhajate mam ananya bhag sadureva sa mantavyaha samyag vyavasito hi saha.
Chapter 9, Shloka 30. Is this path of self-discovery only for the good? In Gita, devotion or bhakti is understood as the selfless contemplation with a single pointed mind on the non-dual Brahman, which is nothing other than the essence of the devotee, and not making loud singing Lord's songs. Lord says that even if the most sinful sinner worships the self with devotion to none else, he too shall be regarded as righteous, for he has rightly resolved. Vedas condemn the sin, not the sinner. The evil actions of the sinner are the expressions of the evil thoughts in his mind. So, if the texture of the thoughts can be changed, the texture of behavior will also be transformed by constant thoughts of the self. The devotion can pay the promised results only if the contemplation is undivided with the single pointed mind. From the moment he has rightly resolved, he can be considered good on the basis of anticipatory fulfillment, for he will soon grow out of himself to bask in the spiritual glory. Majority of seekers are only satisfied with knowing the path, but never resolve to start walking. But one with a rightly resolved, firm decision is the one especially marked out to be soon a man of perfection. For example, if on a long road with an abyss on the end and a temple on the other end, there is a man walking towards and very near the abyss, he is obviously very far from the temple. But if he sees the abyss and the approaching danger and resolve to make a U-turn and keep walking, he will soon reach the abode of eternal peace and save himself from a great calamity. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.